All right, so AI is moving at literally lightning speed right now. It feels like every morning we wake up and the goalposts have moved again. So today on AI Trend Alerts, we're cutting through the hype. We've got 3 stories that basically show us the future. Elon Musk's plan on the moon, a massive, quiet drop of new tools from China, and, well, the dark side, how governments are using Google's Gemini for hacking. Let's get into it. First up, okay, get this. Elon Musk had an internal meeting at xAI recently, and he dropped a total bombshell. He wants to build an AI factory on the moon. No, I'm serious. The plan is to build AI satellites up there and then, get this, use a giant electromagnetic catapult to just fling them into space. Now, you're probably asking, why? Why go to all that trouble? Well, here on Earth, we're hitting a wall. Data centers are devouring electricity, and the heat they put out it's a massive problem. But the moon, it's got constant solar power and natural cooling because there's no atmosphere. Think of it like this. It's like taking your overheated PC out of a cramped, stuffy bedroom and moving it into a giant freezing warehouse with free electricity. If xAI pulls this off, they'll be training models way cheaper than anyone else. While everyone's looking at the moon, though, some incredible tools just quietly dropped out of China. And these aren't just copycats, they're specialized powerhouses. First, there's cDance 2.0 from ByteDance. Yep, the TikTok team. It's a video model that basically acts like a mini movie director. You give it some images and clips, and it stitches them into high-quality video without you ever touching an editor. Then there's GLM-5. This one is huge for the coders out there. It's less of a chatbot and more of a digital coworker that can actually reason through complex programming problems. And finally, there's MiniMax 2.5, which is apparently insanely fast at office automation. The takeaway? China is building a full super toolkit, and for you, that means more competition, which usually leads to better features and, hopefully, lower prices for everyone. But we have to talk about the reality check. Google's threat intelligence team just put out a report, and it's a bit chilling. They found that state-backed hacking groups, we're talking national governments, are actually using Gemini to assist with cyber attacks. Now, to be clear, it's not a magic hack button. It's more like a super smart assistant. They're using it to research targets in seconds, write really convincing phishing emails, and even troubleshoot their own malicious code. Google is already fighting back, shutting down accounts and blocking prompts, but it shows that the same tools we use to write scripts or code are now part of the attacker's toolbox too. It's a literal arms race. So that's the landscape. More power on the moon, more tools from China, and more risk in the shadows, all happening at once. I want to know what you think, though. Looking at these 3 stories, which one actually worries you the most? And be honest, which one secretly gets you the most excited? Let me know in the comments. If you want this kind of AI deep dive in plain English every day, do me a huge favor. Hit subscribe and drop a like. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.